Cast cinema app content to your Roku device.
Hello there. Today, we are going to answer a frequently asked question. Can I cast content from the cinema app on my phone to my Roku device? The answer is a resounding yes. In this video, we're going to go over how to set this up step by step.
Setting up your Roku device.
The first step is to ensure your Roku device is correctly set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone. On your Roku, go to Settings, Network, and make sure it's connected to the desired Wi-Fi network.
Enable screen mirroring on Roku.
Next, on your Roku device, go to Settings, System, Screen Mirroring. Here, set the screen mirroring mode to Prompt or Always Allow. This step is essential to cast content from your smartphone.
Download the cinema app on your smartphone.
Make sure the cinema app is installed on your smartphone. You can find this in the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices.
Connect your smartphone to your Roku.
For this step, we will connect your smartphone to your Roku device. On Android, go to Settings, Display, Cast. For iOS, you would need an additional app such as Mirror for Roku from the App Store to cast your screen. In the list of available devices, select your Roku device. After a prompt on your Roku device, accept the request to connect.
Stream cinema app content.
Now, open the cinema app on your smartphone. Choose the content you want to watch, and it will appear on your Roku-connected TV screen. Enjoy! So there you have it. That's how you can cast content from the cinema app on your smartphone to your Roku device. We hope this guide has been helpful. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite shows or movies on the big screen. Happy streaming!